Section 1.1.A-15. Kathy stood on the middle rung of a ladder. She climbed up 6 rungs, moved down 2 rungs, and then climbed up 7 rungs. Then she climbed up the remaining 1 rung to the top of the ladder. How many rungs are there in the whole ladder? Well, first let's start by sketching, okay? So you start by sketching a ladder. Since a ladder with an even number of rungs does not have a middle rung, if Kathy is on the middle rung, then the ladder must have an odd number of rungs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's the middle rung. Next, notice that there are the same number of rungs above the middle rung as there are below the middle rung. So if Kathy were to climb 3 steps to reach the top of the ladder, then there would be 3 rungs above the middle, 3 rungs below the middle, and the middle rung, for a total of 7 rungs. However, the given ladder has considerably more than 7 rungs. To determine the number of rungs on the given ladder, we first need to determine the number of rungs above the middle rung. Since Kathy begins on the middle rung and ends on the top rung, her net change in rungs will give the number of rungs above the middle. We're going to represent that number of rungs Kathy moved up as positive integers, and the number of rungs she moved down as negative integers. So Kathy climbed up 6 rungs. We represent that with positive 6. She moved down 2 rungs. We're going to represent that with negative 2. And then she went back up 7 rungs. Therefore, we're going to represent that with positive 7. And then finally, she climbed the 1 remaining rung to get to the top of the rung. So we're going to represent that with positive 1. So therefore, here's the net change. Positive 6 plus negative 2 plus 7 plus 1 equals 12. So there are 12 rungs above the middle rung. Therefore, there are 12 rungs below the middle rung. And then there is the middle rung. So to determine the total number of rungs on the ladder, we would say there are 12 plus 12 plus 1, which is the middle, equals 25 rungs on the ladder.